Good morning, class 12th. Welcome you all again in Classroom Notes by Rekha Jain. And today we are discussing the question answers of the chapter The Third Level by Jack Finney. This is actually scientific fiction, my dear students, and author himself, in the character of Charlie, travels back in time. In the previous part, we have tried to understand the chapter with its summary, and let us make it more clear with the help of question answers. So, our first question is: do you find any intersection of time and space in the story? Yes, this is clearly obvious in the narrator's visit to third level in 18th or 19th century, and then he travels back in 20th century. Sam also transports himself to Galesburg, Illinois in 1894, and yet he talks to Charlie in 20th century. So these two instances are of clear intersection of time. There comes the second question. Stamp collection was described by Sam as a medium to escape from the reality by the modern man. Why did Charlie's grandfather pursue this hobby then? Okay, let's see what is its answer. Of course, life in Charlie's grandfather's time was relaxed and tension free. People then didn't need to escape from the reality. Yet, some people were in the habit of making their life more meaningful and productive by by doing these tasks, these types of tasks, and that's why they inculcated such hobbies. Here comes the third question. How did Charlie reach the third level? Let's understand this. In his hurry to reach to his wife fast, he came to Grand Central Station, New York from Vanderbilt Avenue and took 2 flights of stairs to reach to the second level to get a train for home. But he got lost while ducking into an arched doorway which led to subway and then to a tunnel. That tunnel led to another stairs, and this was how he reached to the third level. Fourth, what do the third level and Grand Central Station, New York symbolize? Okay, let's see. It symbolizes, means that third level symbolizes a shelter to escape from the modern world of hurry, worry, stress and tension. How man yearns to delve into the fantasy, transporting him in peace and tranquility is shown here. So few words which I have used here. Let's see the meanings. Yearns means strongly desires. Delve means live, and tranquility is a synonym to peace. My dear students, we use sometimes two words of the same meaning to show emphasis. Grand Central Station, New York symbolizes. Now comes the second answer. Grand Central Station, New York symbolizes the world with its intricacies. That means inner complex structure in which modern man has lost his way and is unable to come out. Sixth question. What sort of dressing sense did people on the third level follow? This was very strange to see. People wore fancy moustache, beards and sideburns. Sideburns meaning is given here, bunch of hair on man's face down the ear. Tiny lapels, 4-button suits, derby hat and pocket gold watches were in fashion then. Women wore fancy cut sleeves, long sleeves and high button shoes. Now comes the seventh question. How and why did Sam buy $800 of old currency? What was his opinion about this? Sam bought $800 by selling all his business and other properties. This looked to be a profitable deal. He had achieved the fulfillment of his soul by getting rid of all materialistic gains. And this line suggests that Sam was a victim of the modern world, whose life was filled with stress and tension. So when he went to Galesburg, Illinois, he was enjoying the exotic moments, that means divine moments, filled with carefree ease in Galesburg, Illinois, away from the tension of the modern life. So students, this was all in today's video. We'll meet again with another video. Till then, bye bye.